Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to correctly use chess.com analysis board. First of all, go to chess.com on your device. From the home page, tap on Sign In. Here select Sign In with Google. Doing so will redirect you to the home page of chess.com. Next, select Learn from the side menu bar. From the options, click on Analysis. Now, move the pieces across the board. Each of your moves will be analyzed precisely in the analysis board. Tap on Settings. From this, select the number of lines. So here, you can see that with every move, your game is evaluated on the analysis board. From the bottom menu, tap on Setup Position. Here, clear the board or reset it as per needed. Tap on Load. Now under the Details section, you can find the detailed analysis of the game. Under the Openings section, you can view all the openings. By tapping on any of them, the area under consideration will get highlighted. So this is how you can correctly use chess.com analysis board. And that's it. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.